Hello friends, so today we are going to see a next topic, that is similarities. Similarity of triangles. Obviously the name suggests that is, in this lesson we are going to say similarity of triangle, that is how the triangles are similar, how we can say that two different or more than two types of triangles are similar to each other. But before that, let's see what will be the ratio of areas of any two triangles. But before that, if you like our videos, please like, share and subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get notified for the next video. So let's start with ratios. All of we know that ratios means A upon B form. Anything for the numbers also 2 upon 3. All these are called the ratios. So here we are going to see ratios of areas of any two triangles. So since we require two triangles, let's consider any two triangles. Suppose I am having these two triangles. Suppose this is triangle ABC. This is triangle ABC. Suppose next I am taking this one again. This is the next triangle PQR. Okay. So we have considered these two triangles. Okay, all of you know that area of any triangle is nothing but half into base into height. So that's simply that formula we are going to use here. So how many triangles we are having? Two triangles. We want the areas of the two triangles. So let's write down area of triangle ABC. The first triangle I am taking is, that is the triangle ABC. Its ratio with the another triangle. Which is our another triangle? Our another triangle is triangle PQR. So ratio with triangle PQR. Now again, this is the same. Area of triangle ABC is nothing but half into base. In this triangle, which is the base one, look here, the bottom line, this BC is the base of this triangle ABC. So BC is the base of this triangle. Next one is the height. Height is what? Any a perpendicular distance, a perpendicular segment which is perpendicular to the base, it's called as the height of that particular triangle. Look here, this AD is perpendicular to BC. Perpendicular means what? Which forms a 90-degree angle with the base. So this is the height of this triangle ABC. So half BC into AD, that is half base into height. This is the area of the triangle ABC. Next is our triangle PQR. In this triangle PQR, again this QR is the base of this triangle. So again the same way, it is half into base, that is our QR. QR is the base into height. It's the same way, which is perpendicular distance on BC from the opposite vertex is nothing but the height of that particular triangle. So this PQ and this PS is the height of this particular triangle PQR, that is, this is PS. So this becomes the ratio, but this half and half get cancelled with each other. So we get the ratio is nothing but ratio of product of particular. So ratio of area of any two triangles is the ratio of their product of their corresponding bases and height. So this is the simple. Okay, that is the ratio of two triangles when the bases and height were different. Now let's see if the height of the two triangles are similar. So the next type, if the height of two triangles are similar. Suppose I am drawing again one more triangle. Suppose this is one triangle. This is a straight line. Consider this a straight line. So this is a triangle and I am drawing one more segment from here. Again, suppose let's label it ABC. This is suppose point D, and this is the perpendicular distance on this BC. Okay, now let's consider two triangles. Suppose I consider two triangles, area of this bigger triangle, that is this triangle A, B and C. I am considering a triangle ABC, its ratio with the another triangle. Suppose I consider this one, triangle A, B and D. Area of triangle A, B, D. Do you find out this ABC? This AB is the height of this bigger triangle. Yes. And for the next triangle, for this triangle ABD, again AB is the height of this triangle. That means in the both these two triangles, the height is the same. So obviously, what will be the ratio? Ratio will be simply ratio of their bases. Yes, it will be simply the ratio of their bases. In ABC, base is this BC. BC upon, in ABD, base is this BD. Base is here BD only. Why we are done this? Because height of these two triangles is same. So ratio is simply the ratio of their bases. So this one and the one more type of thing. If this is for the, if the height is same. Now if we are having a triangle in which the basis is same, so let's draw one more figure in which the base of two triangles is same. Suppose let's have this type of triangle. Suppose I am having a triangle like this way. Okay, suppose this is our triangle A, B, C and D, and this is the height of this triangle E, and this is the height, DC is the height of the another triangle. So what I found is I am having two triangle A, B, C. In this triangle our base is BC and height is AE. Next triangle is our triangle BDC. In this triangle DC is the height and BC is the base, that is the base is common in these two triangles. So what will be the ratio of these two triangles? Obviously it is the ratio of their corresponding height. So the two triangles are ABC and BDC. It is the ratio of product of bases and height. Base is same, so it will be the ratio of height of ABC is AE and height of BDC is DC. So it's the simple thing, the ratio of product of the ratio of any two areas of any two triangles. If the bases and heights are different, then it is the ratio of products of corresponding bases and height. If the height is same, then it is the ratio of, or I can have this ratio of their bases. If the height is same and if the base is same, this is the base of these two triangles, this is the base of this two triangle. If the base is same, then it is the ratio of their corresponding height. Suppose I am having this is a height 1 and height 2. So it is easy. So just go through it. We have to use this in our improving the some theorems. So best of luck.